up, guys? This is Dustin here. This is Saturday, August 20th. Man. Got about foot-high weeds in the backyard all the way around. We got the city still doing what they're doing to our backyard. But me, sheets day. McDonald's in my room. Now y'all would say, yo, why did you got some food in your room? You get spiders, ants, cockroaches, earwigs. But there's a reason. You don't really get to see that bag on my channel, do you? Well, I got some goodies. So what are the goodies? Wow. Dun 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 dun. I got some gasoline. I didn't mean to throw that. I got some gasoline. So why do I have Moto Mix from Stihl? Why do I have Moto Mix? Well, the story is I've owned my baby for about a year and a half now, and I've ran at least 10 gallons or month-old 2-mix gasoline in her. So, our next goodie. Whoa! Tune-up! We got a motherfucking tune-up kit, bitches. We get a spark plug. But you would say, if it's a tune-up kit, why are those dirty? Well, I already put the spark plug and the new filter in there, gasoline filter, but not this one. But yeah, Ace, because they had a 12 for this that I don't have. So yeah. I'm not gonna bullshit you and make a video of me taking out and yeah, whatever. So, we gotta put the new filter in. So, what do we got next? Dun dun dun. Damn, Daniel, back at it again, yo. I got these gloves. They're not thick. They're not supposed to be. They're supposed to protect your manly hands from getting calluses. They're supposed to be non-thick, therefore you can actually use your fucking throttle. And of course, with my big ass motherfucking hands, I got extra large, bitches. So, how much did we spend? We had spent about... We spent $67. Holy shit. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna eat one of my sausage egg McMuffins. I'm loving it. I'm gonna pour this fresh baby, just a little ounce in my gas tank. I'm gonna smush it around, empty it out, put it in. I'm gonna put the new filter in, put these sexy ass gloves in. I should probably get my tool. And we're gonna go outside. And you know what else we're gonna do? We're gonna clean her up as well. We're gonna do the most fucking motherfucking detail cleaning you've ever seen, bitches. That means toothbrush. Top of the line is for about a year and a half now. So, top of the line toothbrush. We'll use just an ounce of this. Nice fresh gasoline. I'm gonna scrub the outside of my carburetor. Take off the plastic, get all the oil around wherever there is, if there is any. And then we'll put it all together. Next Saturday, I have a hot date with Mr. Ray. He's going to teach me a lot of tips on taking, you know, my baby apart when needed. And then doing my own services. And he's going to teach me some other things. And so I got a hot date next Saturday. So that's gonna be nice. But for now, new air filter, fresh gas, and some cleaning. Let's do it, bitches. I'm loving it. What's up, guys? Alright, so we're back. We got my baby here. And now we're gonna tear her apart. Let's do it. Alright, let's do it. Damn, that's dirty, eh? Holy shit. You can tell there's a lot of grease in there. A little scrubby. Back to clean. Dang, that's dirty, eh? Holy cow. I've never washed this, honestly. I've actually forgotten about it, but dang, she dirty. Alright, we'll get some gasoline. We'll scrub around. Sweet. So first, what I need to do, I'm gonna take a bite, which I already have done. Yummy. So I just opened up the can. It smells like paint, kind of. Smells good though, not bad. All right, let's start. I start scrubbing, yo. What you do? Get your toothbrush that you're using. Just shove it in. You dirty bitch. Oh yeah, you like that, don't you? Sweet. Nice and clean. Don't worry, baby, not bitch. I'm just saying that. Just say it, yo. Alright, sweet. Gonna put this nice and clean right in there. There we go. Yay. Nice and clean, sexy filter. Compared to this puppy. Thank you for letting my baby start. Holy shit. Damn. Thank for letting air to go by. Thank you. Alright, now what we do is we take off this front and just clean up. Actually, no, I don't even have to do that. Never mind. Let's put the case back on. Sweet. So now I went and I had watched this. It's nice and clean. I cleaned the vents. Yay. Let's put this puppy on, eh? Now it's time to take my last bite. Yummy. Let's open this back up again. I'll show you my new filter if I can. There she is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you probably can. Alright, I'm just gonna pour in just a little bit. Closer. We'll shake it around. Get all that old gas out of there. And we'll be right back. We got that all done. Got it out of a new tank. Or full tank. I'm thinking this can will put 2 full tanks. Hopefully. And then maybe 4%. So like 2 and I don't know, 2 and then 4% more. But we'll see how big this can is to supply my needs. Okay? Alright, let's put this on, because every last drop matters. I'm gonna check the spark plug, see if I have it on all the way. Gently, but I don't know if I have it too tight or too loose. I'm just gonna check. Alright, I think that's good enough. Alright, we'll give it just a quick fire up. We'll see how it goes. Dude, sweet. New filter, better top of the line gasoline possible, new spark plug. Awesome. Let's give it a little, see how this goes. Ah. Those were horrible pulls. Sweet, baby. Yes. Now let's go wash her up, eh?
Okay, and that's basically it. See you soon.